I don't know why I did this. This is a disaster. I'm losing so much hair. I'm doing it. I'm doing it, you guys. I am coloring my hair. What? Who am I? Like, Shruti, who the... Anyways, this is the time to really step out of your comfort zone and try something that you've never tried before, right? I have this box of hair dye, and yes, I am that girl that said 2 videos before, I'm not sure of the hair color, but that needs to wait, honey, because I ain't doing any hair color at home. This is not that kind of channel. Exactly. I know I told you this, but you know what? I've got a certain sense of, courage within me saying that Shruti, you can do it. So I just got this from the store the other day, and yalla, let's just color our hair red. Let go. Also, Loki, I am shitting my pants right now. I have no clue what's about to happen. I just hope I still have hair left on my head after this is over. Okay, so this is all that comes in the kit. This is the developer, this is the color, and this is the conditioner that you're supposed to use after your wash. I also have these gloves here with me. So this is the instruction manual, and it says that I need to put this inside this and shake it off. Okay then, let's do this. Like, honestly, if you don't squeeze out every bit of whatever is there in this, are you even Indian? And call me cheap, I don't care. I call it full utilization. See, I'm a chick and I'm not used to this kind of an action, so sorry. I think I'm just going to section off my hair. I have unwashed hair, and when I tell you unwashed, I mean I think I haven't washed it for like a good 4 or 5 days at this point. Ooh, that color though. I don't even know if I'm using the right amount of this. Oh no! I should have not worn. Okay, I'm going to be right back with a towel. Okay. I think I'm going to do it like this. Because I definitely want this color on the ends rather than up top. Oh no! I literally am maybe doing the worst job ever, but I'm just gonna roll with it. Oh no! Ah! Oh my god, my jeans are ruined! If any of you guys want to do that video where I know a lot of people have done, worst rated makeup artist, so you can come to me when you want to get your hair done from the worst rated hairstylist. I'm putting it on my gloves rather than on my hair because this shit is going everywhere, and I have a real mortal fear that this is not going to be enough hair color for my hair. I'm legit dreading that. Literally the worst hairstylist on planet Earth! You tell me to do makeup for 3 hours, no problem. You tell me to do hair for 3 seconds, I'm already tired. Oh, okay, see there are so many parts of my hair which have not got the hair color. I have a feeling this is going to be so patchy. I don't know why I did this. I have no idea how it looks like from the back. I'm losing so much hair. I know for a fact that there are so many like patches in the back which I've not been able to get. This is a disaster. And the funniest part is that I am, courageous enough to do this when I know that even if this shit gets fucked up, there is no way that I can correct this till the time we are out of this quarantine situation. So, girl, you picked a really good time to do this.
Oh no!
Okay, I have no idea how it looks like from the back. After this, I'm going to not just come out with red hair, but also a red face. Yay! Wow. I am hoping that this is it. Okay, so I guess, oh, look at the hair fall. Honestly, at this point, I'm so good at masking my tragedy with comedy that you don't know how badly I'm crying from the inside. Okay, that's all that there is for today, and I'm gonna let this sit for about 30 minutes, I guess that's what it says, and then wash it off and use this fancy little conditioner. And let's just hope I still have, hair left on my head when I come back. I have to say, this face though, I mean, it's a look. Legit, this is how my pants look. And yeah, this is the tragedy. I know my face looks like a tribal goddess. I don't know why I did this. I don't know why I did this.
1 hour later.
And yeah. This is the final result! As you can clearly tell, there are very visible patches of like hair that has not been colored. Also, like this side, oh my god, this side is a treat, like, because there is no red here, there is red here, and then there is no red here, and then there is red here. So I think I should be getting the best hairstylist award anytime soon. So I know I'm already nominated, I've already got the prize, so it should be in the mail once this quarantine situation gets over. I think I should get my best hairdresser prize. For any if any of you guys are interested in getting your hair done by an expert like me, please get in touch with me. My email is down below. And I'm not that expensive, I only charge like $1,000 to get your hair done, which is very, very reasonable in today's times, if you ask me, for such a fabulous job. I mean, look at it. Look at the artistry here. Look at the blending. Look at it. Look at this. Look at the blend right here. This is what you pay top dollar for, woman. This is what you pay top dollar for. So, I mean, any hate that's coming out me is just like, you girls are jealous because I have beautiful, amazing hair, and I don't think you do. So, I'm sorry about that. So, yes, I think that is it for today. On a serious note, I think I will have to get another box of this because there was not enough of hair color for my entire hair to make it red, and honestly, this ain't red. This is like some, I mean, honestly, comment down below a name that you can come up with for the hair color, shenanigan that this is. And I mean, who knows, if I like it, I'll even give you like a shout out on my Instagram. Yes, I think that is it for today. Subscribe to my channel if you already haven't, and hit that notification bell to be notified every time this expert hairstylist makes a new video. And like I always say, keep it bossy. I mean, the red hair though, I mean, if I just keep it like this, it should be fine, right? Make it fashion, baby. Make it fashion. You bitches are just jealous of my amazing hair.